Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play your Epic Games in offline mode. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Epic Games Launcher application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed with logging in using your email address and your password, or by using your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can click on Library and you will see all of your games that you have. Now, if you wish to play your game within offline mode, then you can either log out from your Epic Games account, or you can turn off your Wi-Fi or internet connection. So proceed with either one of these methods, and you will also need to exit the Epic Games Launcher from your system icons. Click on the pop-up button at the bottom right corner, and then right-click on Epic Games Launcher. Then click on the exit button, and now this will exit the Epic Games Launcher from your device right away. Now, after logging out and exiting, you can open up your Epic Games by searching using the search box, or by opening it up using your shortcut or a launcher, and you will be able to enjoy your game in offline mode without connecting it to your Epic Games. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play the games from your Epic Games library in offline mode. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.